I gotta stop everything that I'm doing. I just got this in the mail. Yes, indeed. This is Nature's Pain Relief, a topical solution to when life hurts. My back has been causing me so much pain that my life has changed. I have nerve damage, and I have taken the strongest narcotics and over-the-counter drugs, and nothing worked. This right here is perfect. It's topical, made from all natural plant derived ingredients, made by someone that I trust, and it works. And it smells good. All I do is when I get out of the shower, put it where it hurts, let it dry, and the pain goes away. Yeah. Get yours. Contact me, and I'll tell you who my people are.